Hello everybody, here's your first section of notes. As you listen to this video and as you watch this video, make sure that you're filling in your notes, which either are on paper or you can do it under the current lesson that we're on OneNote. Okay, so let's start. What is the environment? Basically, it's just to describe the natural world, right? But what it includes is all the living things, and we call those biotic factors, and all the non-living things, which we call the abiotic factors. Okay. And humans are part of the environment. We interact with it. We use it up for our survival. We get all of our natural resources from it. We get all of our food from it. So we're part of the environment, and how we react to it and interact with it is very, very important. So what is environmental science? It is not activism, although activism can be very, very important as far as like making sure that we don't have polluted air and polluted water. That's just a movement where they advocate for protection. Although we're going to study ecology in this class, that's purely a scientific study of the natural environments. It doesn't really talk about what environmental science actually is. What it is we study ecology in this class and we focus on how humans interact with the environment and how we address environmental problems or how we solve environmental problems. It's very interdisciplinary. We study biology, chemistry, earth science, economics, political science. All of that together is environmental science. So let's talk about our resources. Renewable resources. Those are things that we can be replenished in very, very short period of time. Sunlight never goes away. Water, you can replenish that. Water is always out there, right? Heat or from the earth, that's always out there. Non-renewable resources, on the other time, take a very, very long time to replenish. So fossil fuels, coal, oil, natural gas, those are all three of those are all non-renewable resources. They're fossil fuels, they take a very long time to replenish, millions and millions of years. All the resources are found somewhere on this line, okay? But resources must be used at a sustainable rate. No matter what they are, they have to be used at a sustainable rate. That's one that replaces what is being used at the same rate. So if we use it, we're immediately replacing it with something else. Environmental scientists, our whole job is to determine how to use those resources sustainably. How can we use them to at the same rate that we are, how can we replenish them at the same rate that we're using them? All right, so there's two major events that have changed the course of human history. The agricultural revolution was one. We moved from a hunter-gatherer lifestyle to one where we actually change the land. We clear cut it, we raise livestock on it, we plant crops. That's the first one. The second one was the Industrial Revolution. That allowed machines to be made in order to advance medicine, agriculture. We were no longer using horses and plows from oxen. We were using big machines and other technologies, computers, faster ways to manufacturing lines. All of that stuff was the Industrial Revolution. They both increased human lifespans, health, and the human population overall. We were able to live easier and better through these advancements. So let's talk about it. Environmental science is basically the study of living things, the interaction of living and non-living things, as well as economic and political issues that arise from natural resources. Increases in the human population from agricultural and industrial revolutions have made it challenging to use resources in a sustainable way. And that's what the study of environmental science is. Basically, how can we solve the environmental problems that have occurred because of both the agricultural and industrial revolutions? Thank you very much.